In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Texture Reptile in Krita. To use Texture Reptile, select the brush tool by pressing B on your keyboard, then open the brush presets docker, usually located on the right side of the Krita interface. In the search box, type Texture Reptile. Once the Texture Reptile brush preset appears, click it to select the brush. Next, adjust the brush size from the top toolbar. Increase the size value for a larger texture area or decrease the size value for smaller and more detailed reptile patterns. The Texture Reptile brush in Krita is useful for adding scale-like textures, patterned surfaces, and detailed reptile effects. It is a good choice when creating animal textures, creature designs, rough surfaces, or adding unique natural patterns to artwork. Use a larger brush size when covering wider areas with texture, and use a smaller brush size when adding fine details and precise patterns. After selecting the Texture Reptile brush and adjusting the size, you can start applying texture effects to your artwork in Krita. And that's how to use Texture Reptile in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.